Hola, soy Dora. It's a puppy play day. Boots and I have been playing with Perrito's puppy friends, but now they all need a bath. ¿Dónde están? Where are all the puppies? We need your help to find them. Perrito, puedes ayudarnos también. We need Perrito's super nose to help us sniff out those puppies. And we can use Scooter to quickly find the puppies. Ruff! Press the up and down arrow keys to move Scooter up and down. We need to collect as many of Perrito's energy snacks as we can so he can keep going fast. Cuidado! We need to watch out for things in the road. If Scooter hits something in the road, we'll lose one of Perrito's energy snacks and slow down. Press the space bar to make Scooter do a magic jump. Podemos volar! We can fly! If you see arrows in the road, ride over them to make us go faster. Muy rápido! Steer over to a puppy when you see one. Ready to find those puppies? Fantástico! Vámonos! Let's go! Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. One puppy. Un perrito. All right. An energy snack for Perrito. Rápido. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. Two puppies. Dos perritos. Whee! Rápido. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. Three puppies. Tres perritos. Here we go. Great jumping. Four puppies. Cuatro perritos. We found four puppies. Cuatro perritos. Fantástico. Now let's look for more puppies by the river. ¡Excelente! Keep collecting energy snacks for Perrito. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. Now we have 5 puppies. 5 perritos. Now we're flying. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. 6 puppies. 6 perritos. Here we go. Rápido. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. 7 puppies. 7 perritos. Whee! Keep collecting energy snacks for Perrito. Un perrito. Let's get that puppy. 8 puppies. 8 perritos. Great job! Now let's look for more puppies on the farm.